It's time to check on what the weather has in store for the rest of your Tuesday, and welcome to the Weather Center. Today we're going to see a series of cold fronts sweeping across western South Africa, maintaining cloudy, wet and cold weather over these parts of the country. Then late in the afternoon we are going to see the wet weather reaching the Eastern Cape coastal areas. We are also expecting a few sprinkles of rain around the KZN coastal areas in the evening hours. Otherwise it's going to stay mostly sunny and warm across the northeastern parts of the country. We still have a good chance of rain this Tuesday along the southwest coastline. Up to a 60% chance of rain is forecast for those parts of the country. The chance of precipitation decreases, however, where you see the lighter shade of blue, up to 40% for the south and the east coast, the same for the west coast, and just a 20% chance of rain as we go into the western interior of the Northern Cape. Afternoon temperatures are going to be much cooler this Tuesday compared to what we saw on Monday across the southwestern parts of the country. Look at Sutherland managing a high of just 10 degrees, 12 in Springbok. The Mother St. George will peak at just 16 degrees. A bit warmer as we go towards the Eastern Cape. Port Elizabeth and Bishop will reach around 18. It's going to stay pretty warm over the eastern parts of the country. Richards Bay reaching a warm 28. Similar temperatures around Mbombela, Pretoria 23. Johannesburg will stay at the 20-degree mark. A warm 25 is forecast for Mahikeng, and a mild 19 is expected around Uppington. Here's a look at coastal conditions for your Tuesday. We are going to stay with poor beach conditions along the west coast. It's going to be cloudy with light rain in places, and we're expecting light to moderate northwesterlies here throughout your Tuesday. And northwesterly airflow is also forecast for the southwest coastline. And again, the wet weather is going to keep beach conditions uninviting over these coastal areas. Swell heights of the southwest coastline will average around 2.5 meters. We are expecting smaller swell heights as we go further east along the south coast. Here, the swell heights will average around 1.5 meters. Onshore winds are forecast here. It's also going to be cloudy with light rain, so it means beach conditions are not going to be all that great. However, beautiful conditions are forecast around Richards Bay, where it's going to be dry for much of the day, but light rain late in the afternoon could keep you away from the beaches from Durban down into the Wild Coast and East London. That's all from the Weather Center for now. Enjoy the rest of your day.
You deserve to know more.
eNCA.com